Unraveling the meaning of hair weave. Hello, wonderful learners. Today, we're diving deep into the world of beauty and fashion, particularly a popular term in hairstyling, hair weave. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it is and why it's so popular. A hair weave is a hairstyle that involves adding extensions to one's natural hair. This can be done for various reasons, such as adding length. If someone has short hair and wants it to appear longer, a hair weave can be added. Volume. If one's natural hair is thin, a weave can give the appearance of thicker, fuller hair. Fashion statement. Sometimes, people add weaves in different colors or textures just to change their look or make a fashion statement. There are various methods to install a hair weave. Here are a few. Sewing. The extensions are sewn into small braids of the natural hair. This method is one of the most traditional. Glue. A special adhesive is used to attach the extensions close to the scalp. Clip-ins. These are temporary extensions that can be clipped in and out, allowing for flexibility in style and length. Remember, while these methods have their pros, some might also have cons depending on your hair type and needs. It's always best to consult with a professional hairstylist before making a decision. Hair weaves have become incredibly popular due to the versatility and temporary nature they offer. Here's why many opt for them. Change without commitment. You can experiment with colors, lengths, and textures without permanently altering your natural hair. Protection. Some use hair weaves as a protective style, giving their natural hair a break from regular styling, heat, or other potential damages. Confidence boost. Having fuller, longer, or uniquely styled hair can enhance self-confidence for many individuals. There you have it. Now you know what a hair weave is, how it's installed, and why so many people love it. Hairstyling is a personal journey and a form of self-expression. If you ever consider getting a hair weave, ensure you do your research and consult with a professional. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this has been enlightening. Keep learning and shining.